students. So let's continue with the next problem on this partnership. So here I have taken the next problem. That is problem number 5 is, the problem is A, B and C are partners in a business with capitals of rupees 8,000, rupees 5,000 and rupees 3,000 respectively. Then further what they have given, it is agreed that A shall take 20% and B and C each 10% of the total profits. Means whatever total profit is there, from that total profit first we have to pay 20%. 20% of the total profit will go to A and 10% of the total profit will go to B and C. Yeah. So after giving 20% to A and 10% to B and C, what is balance profit will remain? Further they have said the balance of profit to be divided in proportion of capitals, taking into account the time for which they are invested. So after 3 months from the commencement of the business. So here what they said, what a balance profit will remain, that we have to distribute in which ratio? Capital ratio. Right? They have said here the balance of profit to be divided in proportion of capitals, taking into account the time for which they are invested. So what is balance profit remains? So that always we distribute in which ratio? We distribute in capital ratio. So whatever capitals are there, 8,000, 5,000 and 3,000. So by taking these capitals we remove the ratio, and in that ratio we distribute the balance profit. But here in this problem you cannot distribute or to calculate the capital ratio. So you cannot take these capitals 8,000, 5,000 and 3,000. Why? Because here, whatever capitals they have given 8,000, 5,000 and 3,000, they are not invested for a fixed time. They are not invested for a fixed period. After a certain period, the capitals have changed. That is what we have given here. After 3 months from the commencement of business, A withdrew rupees 2,000 of his capital, but B and C add rupees 1,000 each. So what A, B and C have done after the start of the business, after the completion of first 3 months, what A has done, whatever capital he has invested, how much? 8,000 rupees. Out of that, he has withdrawn 2,000 rupees. When? After the completion of first 3 months. And when A withdraws 2,000 rupees from his capital, at the same time, B and C, they have invested again 1,000 rupees into the business. So when any partner withdraw or invest the capital into a business, so naturally their capitals will change, and when the capital changes, their ratio also changes. This is the reason as to why to calculate the capital ratio, so we cannot take the original capitals here, because these capitals are not invested for a fixed time. So whenever the capitals are invested for different time is given, so at that time from the given capital for unequal time, we have to bring the capital to an equal time. Say for it is 1 month, 1 day or 1 hour. What will be the time given? So here the capitals are invested for different months they have given, right? After 3 months, one partner is withdrawing, another partner is investing the capital into the business. So when time is in months, so we have to bring the capital to an equal time of 1 month. If instead of giving the time in months, if they would have given in days, so we have brought the capitals to an equal time of 1 day. Or if the time would have given in hours, so we would have calculated the capitals to an equal time of, it is what, 1 hour. So like that. So what will be the time given? So from the given capitals for unequal time, we have to bring the capital to an equal time. So here important is how to calculate the capitals. How to calculate the capitals, because to calculate the capital ratio, as I said, we cannot take the original capitals here, because the capitals are not fixed here. The capitals, after a certain period, the capitals have changed. Means what you have to find here totally during the year, right? Okay, how much capital is used in the business, that we have to calculate. So far as A is concerned here, now let me complete the problem here. So I was reading the problem. So here A has withdrawn 2,000 and B and C have invested 1,000 rupees each into the business. So question is, find the share of each partner. Find the share of each partner at the end of the year if the total profit of the firm is rupees 2,560. So the total profit is rupees, how much is 2,560 rupees. This 2,560 rupees profit we have to distribute among whom? A, B and C. So how to distribute? So as we have distributed in previous problems, like that we have to distribute here also. Only the point here is regarding the capital ratio, right? While finding the capital ratio, we cannot take the original capital. So here we need to calculate the capital. So here important is how to calculate the capitals. So in brief, I will explain you. So far as A is concerned, right? What is A's capital here? 8,000. A's capital is rupees 8,000. He has invested 8,000 rupees capital at the beginning. And what has happened after the completion of 3 months? Here they have said after 3 months from the commencement of the business. After the commencement of the business, right? What he has done? He has withdrawn 2,000 rupees out of 8,000. Yeah. At the beginning, he has invested 8,000. Out of 8,000, 2,000 rupees capital he has invested. Sorry, 2,000 rupees capital he has withdrawn. So when a partner withdraw the capital from the business, so naturally his capital will decrease, right? So here A's capital will decrease by how much? It is 2,000. Means so far as A is concerned, so at the start he has invested 8,000 rupees, right? Means just to understand, I will write here. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and it is 12. Clear? These are the 12 months. Clear? So here A has invested how much? It is 8,000, and after the completion of 3 months, means here he has withdrawn how many rupees? 2,000 rupees from the business. So before withdrawing these 2,000 rupees, right? These first 8,000 rupees they will use in the business for how many months? For first 3 months. So what you have to do? These 8,000 rupees you have to multiply by how many months? First 3 months. And after 3 months, 2,000 rupees he has withdrawn out of 8,000. Means his capital after 3 months will be rupees how much? Will be rupees only 6,000. 8,000 minus 2,000. And these 6,000 rupees remain fixed for last 9 months. So his capital after 3 months becomes how much? It is 6,000. 8,000 minus 2,000. And this 6,000 rupees will be used in the business for last 9 months. So you have to multiply by 9 months. So this is how his capital is used in the business. So 8,000 you multiply by 3 months and 6,000 you multiply by 9 months. So if you multiply, so we get how much? 8,000 into 3 is 24,000 and 6,000 into 9, it is 54,000. So if you make the total of this, you get 78,000 rupees. So these 78,000 rupees are treated as it is used for it is 1 month. Right? So this 78, so like this we have to bring the capital to an equal time of say it is 1 month. So why we have tried it is treated as used for 1 month. Or if you remember in UC second year, you have studied the topic it is partnership, and in partnership you have studied how to calculate the interest on drawings there. How to calculate the interest on drawings as per the product method. So in product method, what we used to do, the amount of drawings we used to multiply by the number of months. Means for how many months the partner used to use that money for his personal use, and by multiplying that we used to calculate the total product, and on that total product we used to calculate the interest for 1 month. So that's why we have right here it is treated as used for what it is 1 month. Or the another reason is whatever profit can be earned by investing 8,000 rupees for how many years? 1 year, right? If he invests 8,000 rupees for suppose for 1 year, so whatever profit you will get after 1 year, same amount of profit if you want to earn in 1 month, so your capital should be how much? It is 78,000. That is the meaning, or this is the reason as to why we have right here treated as used for 1 month. So whatever profit can be earned by investing 8,000 rupees for 1 year, same amount of profit can be earned by investing 78,000 rupees for in how many? In 1 month. Okay? Like this, you have to bring the capital to an equal time of say it is for 1 month. So this is about what it is A, right? Now we have to calculate what it is B. Now what B has done, B and C both have invested 1,000 rupees. After how many months? After 3 months only. So when A withdraws, at the same time B and C again they invest 1,000 rupees into the business. And when they invest again 1,000 rupees into the business, so naturally their capital will increase, right? So what is B's capital given in the problem? It is 5,000. So B's capital is 5,000, right? So when he invests here after 3 months he invests 1000 rupees into the business. So before investing 1000 rupees, so these first 5000 rupees, B's capital is how much here? 5000 rupees. So these 5000 rupees will be used in the business for first 3 months. You have to multiply by 3 months. Then his capital 5000 rupees will increase by 1000. So his capital after 3 months becomes how much? It is 6000. 5000 plus 1000. And this 6000 rupees will be used in the business for last 9 months. You have to multiply 9 months and multiply this. Means 5000 into 3 will get 15,000 and 6000 into 9 will get 54,000. So if you add this, you get 69,000. So these 69,000 rupees are treated as used for, it is 1 month. Yeah, like that. So same regarding what it is C. So what is C's capital here? It is 3,000. So these 3,000 rupees will be used in the business for first 3 months. So here his capital is how much? It is 3,000 to C's. And again he has invested 1000 rupees, means his capital after 3 months becomes how much? 4,000. So before investing 1000 rupees, so these 3000 rupees will be used in the business for first 3 months. You have to multiply by 3. And his capital after 3 months becomes what it is? 4,000. 3000 plus 1000. So these 4000 rupees will be used in the business for last 9 months. You have to multiply by 9 months and multiply. So 3000 into 3 will get it is 9000 and 4000 into 9 will get 36,000. So you will get it is 45,000. So these 45,000 rupees will be treated as used for 1 month. So like this, you have to bring their capital to an equal time of 1 month and 1 month. Now, whatever capitals you have got 78,000, 69,000 and 45,000. So by taking these capitals, we have to remove the ratio, right? That is called as the capital ratio. And in that capital ratio, we have to distribute the remaining profit after paying these 20% to A and 10% to B and C. Whatever balance profit will remain, that balance profit we have to distribute among these 3 partners in this ratio, capital ratio. Okay? So I hope this is clear to you all how to find out the capitals. So this is when the capitals are invested for different time is given. So like this we need to calculate the capital, right? Without this you cannot calculate the capital ratio. If you distribute in these original capitals, so your problem will go. Okay? So I hope this point is clear to you all. Now let's begin with the solution. Now in this problem, so none of the partners is getting any interest on capital, salary, remuneration, nothing is given. But they are getting the extra share here. A shall take 20% and B and C 10% of what it is, just a total profit. So first we have to pay this share to A, B and C. So let's calculate the shares. So first we calculate it is A's share. A's share. So how much he gets? He gets 20% of the total profit. So you have to calculate 20%. 20% of what? Of the total profit. What is the total profit here? 2560. So 2560. So on 2560 rupees, so you calculate how much it is? 20%. So it comes to 512 rupees. Yeah. Like that, you calculate B's and C's share. So how much B gets here? B and C both gets 10% each, right? So B gets 10% of the total profit only, right? So what is the total profit here? It is 2560 rupees. So on 2560 rupees 10%, it comes to this 256 rupees. So 256 rupees profit will go to B. Then we have to calculate what it is C's share. C's share is equal to C also gets, it is 10%. 10% of what? It is 2560 rupees. So 10% of 2560 rupees will get 256 rupees. Like this. So first, like this, you have to pay to A, B and C. So from where you have to pay these shares? From the total profit only. And after paying these shares, what a balance profit will remain, that we have to distribute among these 3 in which ratio? Capital ratio. So now let's calculate the balance profit. So balance profit is equal to Now make the total of these three. So it is 500 and sorry. What is the total profit here? 2,560. 2,560 rupees. From 2,560 rupees total profit, we have to pay these shares. So 2,560 rupees minus into bracket. To A we have to pay how much? It is 512. Then to B we have to pay it is 256, and to C we have to pay it is 256 rupees. Right? So it is 2,560 rupees minus the total of these three. So it comes to 1,024 rupees. So 1,024 rupees you minus from it is 2,560 rupees. So you minus. So it is it comes to it is 1,536 rupees. Yeah. 10 minus 4 6, carry 1, 3 6 minus 3 is 3, 5 minus 0 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1,536 rupees is the profit left after paying these shares. Yeah. Now what your profit has remained 1,536 rupees. Now this 1,536 rupees profit we have to distribute among these three partners in which ratio? In the capital ratio. So as I told, we cannot take the original capital. So here we have to find out the capitals. So let's calculate the capitals first. So first you calculate A's capital. A's capital. So as I explained, so like that we have to calculate the capital. So what is A's capital here? 8,000. So take 8,000 rupees, right? So these 8,000 rupees. What he does after 3 months, he has withdrawn 2,000 rupees. Yeah. So before withdrawing, these 8,000 rupees will be used in the business for first 3 months. You have to multiply by 3 months. Then after 3 months, out of 8,000, he has withdrawn 2,000. Means after 3 months, his capital will decrease by 2,000. So his capital becomes how much? 6,000. And this 6,000 rupees will be used in the business for how many months? For the remaining 9 months. So multiply this. So it is 8,000 into 3 months. You will get 24,000 rupees. And 6,000 into 9. You will get 54,000 rupees. And make the total of these two. So you get 78,000. So these 78,000 rupees are treated as used for it is 1 month. Yeah. So like this we have to calculate about it is B and C now. So now let's calculate B's capital. B's capital is equal to, now what is B's capital here? 5,000. So B's capital is 5,000. So again same, when A withdraws 2,000 at the same time B and C invest 1,000 rupees into the business. So before investing 1,000 rupees, so this first 5,000 rupees will be used in the business for first 3 months. You have to multiply by 3 months. Then his capital after 3 months becomes how much? It is 6,000. 1,000 plus 5,000, and this 6,000 rupees will be used in the business for last 9 months. So you have to multiply by 9 months. So I multiply. So 5,000 into 3 you will get 15,000, and 6,000 into 9 you will get 54,000. So make the total of this, you will get 69,000. So these are 69,000 rupees are treated as it is used for 1 month. Yeah. Now we have to find C's capital. So C's capital, what is C's capital here? It is 3,000. So these 3,000 rupees will be used in the business for first 3 months. So multiply by 3 months. Then his capital after 3 months becomes how much? It is 4,000, because he has also invested 1,000 rupees into the business. So these 4,000 rupees will be used in the business for last 9 months. So you multiply by 9 months. So I multiply 3,000 into 3 will get 9,000, and 4,000 into 9 will get 36,000, and add this you will get 45,000. So these 45,000 rupees are treated as used for it is 1 month. So like this, you have to bring their capital to an equal time of 1 month, 1 month and 1 month. Now whatever capitals you have got, take these capitals and remove the ratio, that is called as the capital ratio. Now let's calculate the capital ratio. So capital ratio is equal to this 78,000 is to 69,000 is to 45,000. So here common 3 zeros gets cancelled, and further if these numbers are divisible you divide. So all these 3 numbers are divisible by this 3. Divide by this 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18, then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are, it is 9, and it is 3 1s, it is 3 5s are 50. So the ratio comes to this 26 is to 23 is to 15, right? Now in this ratio we have to distribute this remaining profit of rupees 1,536 to A, B and C. Yeah. So now let's distribute this remaining profit of 1,536 rupees to A, B and C. Now, first you calculate A's share. A's share in the balance profit. So, how much balance profit we have calculated? It is 1,536 rupees. 1,536. This we have to multiply by what? By A share is how much? 26. 26 divided by total of these 3 values. So it comes to 26 is divided by total of these 3 values comes to how much? It is 64. So 1,536 you multiply by 26 and divide by 64. So you will get it is 1,136 rupees. Yeah, it comes to 1,136 rupees. Now we have to calculate B's share. B's share is equal to, again same, take the balance profit 1,536 rupees. This is multiplied by, it is B's share is how much? Is 23 divided by what? Is 64. So 1,536 into 23 you divide by 64. So you will get rupees 808. And finally you have to find it is C's share. C's share will be, it is 1,536 is multiplied by C's share is how much here? 15. So it is 15 divided by this 64. So 1,536 into 15 divided by this 64. So you will get rupees 660 like this. Yeah. So this remaining profit 1,536 rupees also we have distributed to A, B and C. Clear? So like this we have distributed the full profit of rupees 2,560 rupees to A, B and C. And after distributing the profit, entire profit, now we have to find out as it is the total share received by A, B and C. Now let's calculate the total share received by all the partners. Now first you calculate is total share. So what what A is getting? A is getting 20% of his share. At the beginning we had calculated how much it is, 512 rupees. So his share is 512 is 20% share, plus he is getting what share out of balance profit, 1136 rupees. Sorry, I think this is wrong. This calculation is wrong here, right? I think I have done wrong calculation. 1536 into 26 divided by 54. It comes to 624. Then B share 1536 into 23 by 64. It comes to, it is 552. And C's a share. It comes to rupees 360. Yeah. So just please make the correction of this. I had done wrong here, right? Calculation I did wrong. A share is 1536 into 26 by 64. It comes to 624. B share comes to 1536 into 23 by 64 is 552. And C share is 1536 into 15 by 64 is 360. Yeah? So clear that. Then now we find out his total share. So 20% share is how much? 512 plus what it is? 624 rupees. 624 rupees. So add this. So it comes to this 6, 3 and it is 11. So it comes to 1136. So by mistake I had written that total, right? So 1136 rupees is A's total share. Like that, we have to find B's total share. So B's total share will be, B gets 10% of the total profit which you have calculated at the beginning, it is 256 rupees, right? Plus he get what? Share in distributed capital proportion, it is 552 rupees. 552 rupees. So this comes to this 8 rupees. 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, 6 plus 2 8. Like that you have to find C's total share. So C's total share is, again C gets 10% of the total profit which is 256 rupees. 256 plus he gets share of distributed capital proportion, how much is 360 rupees. So 360 rupees. So add that. So it comes to 616 rupees. 6 plus 0 6, 5 plus 6 11, carry 1, so it's 6. So this is how you calculate the total share received by this A, B and C. Okay? So it is just like previous sums, only difference here is here their capitals are not fixed, right? They are invested for different time. So when the capitals are invested for different time is given, so you should not forget to calculate the capitals. So without finding the capitals, you cannot calculate the capital ratio. This is a very important point. So when capitals are invested for different time is given, so first you have to find out the capitals, and by taking those capitals, you have to remove the capital ratio, and in that capital ratio, you have to distribute the remaining profit. Okay? So I hope this sum is clear to you all. So in the next class or in the next video, so I'll come with next problem on this partnership. Thank you.